Are you barking at Wally 3? Who's that? Wally. It's Wally 3. Wally 3 can't get over the big carpet. Is that what you're barking at? Wally 3? Kylo. Who's that? Who is this? Who is that? Wally 3. You don't care now? Look, Kylo, who's this? Who is that? Look. Who's this? Look, Kylo. Kylo Ren, who's that? Who's this? Who's that? No, right here, look. Who is that? Who is that? You don't really care. You barking at Wally 3 or no? Gonna get Wally 3? Grievous goes sees Wally 3. Good boy, Grievous. Is it Wally 3? What do you say? Why are you barking? What's with the barkings? He's cleaning your dog hair. He's cleaning your dog hair. What's Wally 3 doing? He's cleaning. Who is that? It's okay. Grievous is used to him. Grievous knows Wally 3. Oh, why are you barking? Barking for no reasons. You play with your brother. Play with your brother. Grievous. Grievous. Kylo Ren. What? Where's Wally 3 going? What is he doing? Wally 3, what is he doing? He's cleaning. Good boys. Okay, I get it. Yes, you're not happy. You guys are just gonna play on the couch. All right. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye.